As it sometimes goes when you're dealing with older cars, they don't like letting go of their bolts, their fasteners, and in this case, their brake lines. As you can see, it's stripped out right here. It's stripped out way back here as well. So how do we handle stripped out bolts? Well, we rely on something from CRC called knocker loose. And I swear by this stuff in my shop. If you have a fastener that's stuck, anything you need to get free, loose, this stuff is fantastic. All right, so just a little dab right here, right? Just a little dab there. Simple. Now we're just gonna let that sit for a couple minutes, come back and, well, knock her loose, exactly, all right? We'll see you guys after the break, and hopefully this brake line be out of here.